This is the Interactive Pulley System Calculator, which determines the mechanical advantage and required input force for various pulley configurations. The calculator has 5 input fields. First is number of pulleys, where you enter how many pulleys are in your system. Second is load weight in pounds, which is the weight you need to lift. Third is pulley system type, a drop-down menu with options fixed pulley, movable pulley, compound pulley, and block and tackle. For this example, I'm selecting block and tackle. Fourth is rope efficiency as a percentage, accounting for friction losses in the system. Fifth is pulley weight in pounds, which factors in the weight of the pulleys themselves. For our worked example, I'll enter 4 pulleys, a 500-pound load weight, block and tackle system type, 90% rope efficiency, and 10 pounds for pulley weight. After clicking Calculate, the results show the mechanical advantage of the system, the actual input force required considering efficiency losses, the ideal mechanical advantage without friction, and the total system efficiency. These outputs help engineers properly size motors and design safe lifting systems. Find the link in the description below. Find the link in the description below. Find the link in the description below.